Hello and welcome. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to turn on vibrations on your iPhone. Doing this enhances overall user experience by making interactions feel more engaging and intuitive, or in situations where audio feedback may not be practical. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks. So let's dive in. Open up settings on your iPhone, scroll down to open up sounds and haptics. Haptics are vibrative signals on iPhone. To turn on vibration, we are going to toggle on all haptics related tag, like the keyboard feedback. We are going to toggle on the haptic. And going back, we are going to turn on play haptic in ring mode. We are going to toggle on play haptic in silent mode. And you can also scroll up to turn on system haptics. By doing this, you have successfully turned on vibrations on your iPhone. Well, I hope you learned a thing or two. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Good luck and see you next time.